Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can download the Godot game maker for free on your PC or laptop. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to download the Godot game maker for free on your PC or laptop, it's actually pretty easy. Just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, I want you to go to your Google Chrome or any web browser on your device. And once you're on your web browser, next, you will need to go to the official website of Godot, since that's where we can download their game maker app, so just search this right here. And after searching, you will now be able to see the official website of Godot, so just go and click it. And after that, you will now be on the website. So to download the Godot app on this website, just click this download button right here. And then you will be able to see two different versions of Godot you can download right here, which is the Godot Engine and the Godot Engine.net. If you're a beginner, I recommend starting with Godot Engine because its scripting language, GD script, is easier to learn and perfect for getting started. But if you already have experience and know C# or need advanced features, then you can go with Godot Engine.net. But in my case, I will just go for the normal Godot Engine. And after that, the Godot installation file will now start downloading. Just wait for it to finish. And once it's finished, just click the file to start the installation setup. After that, you will be directed to your file explorer. So right here, you just need to extract this Godot installation files that you downloaded, so you can access the app installation. So to do that, just click this extract button right here. And then click extract once again. And then the file will now be extracted, so you can now double-click this to start the app installation. And after that, it's done. Congratulations, your Godot app will now be installed, so you can now start making your game by clicking this create button. And then just rename the game project name to whatever you like. And also, you will see the project path right here, which is where the location of your project files will be saved. If you want to change it, you can click browse and then select the folder where you want to save it. But if you're already fine with the location, just click the create and edit button. And then there you go guys, you will now be in the game making section, so you can now start editing and making any game that you like. And so that's just how you do it guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching, goodbye.